Welcome back everyone. I had to bring this update on Quant out early for you guys because the moment I took a look at the chart, it did not follow the only path that it could have taken to make Quant bullish again. It was given multiple opportunities to go up from this point of support. It also, if you remember from previous updates, if we head over to yesterday, my title from yesterday's video was Quant has one last opportunity to move up, and this is the path that it must take, which you've just seen over here. We reclaimed the moving averages, we reclaimed the golden pocket, my mistake. Confirmed it as support, but failed to take out the 0.5, and then of course reclaiming the moving averages as well. That's what we needed to see, and that's the only possible bullish path before the reversal wave is created. And we're going to run through all of that in today's update. So like, subscribe, comment and share, because as soon as we hit 8k subscribers, which is under 100 subs away, I'm going to be giving two of you a 30-minute mentorship session. One of you will win that, the other person will win my ebook during this period. I have exclusive discounts on my course and mentorship, but follow me here anyways, because I've been posting multiple Quant updates the last few days. Now over here, this was the post with the of the yesterday's YouTube update, and we needed to reclaim all of those levels, and we unfortunately lost the key level of support and also the 786, so we have created the reversal wave. So yeah, this was my update from 2 days ago, where we were actually using a different set of fibs that were meant to bring a rejection from the 20 moving average and golden pocket to put in a new low. We invalidated that, but if we ever lose this as support, you go on that original path. But there are chances, just as we've been talking about, like a move up from here to invalidate that path. But unfortunately, as you're losing that level over here, the 786, it's not good whatsoever. We're seeing it now where previously it was support with wicks downwards, now with wicks upwards, essentially saying that it's trying to take this out. Now, if you remember from my updates, I always go through the two paths with you guys. We can go back to my update from the other day, and we were talking about, how there would still be a chance, even if we get a rejection from here, which is where we got the rejection from, and then we would come back down, use the 786 as resistance and hunt the 1 fib level. But we still have an opportunity, although remember, as I explained in the video yesterday, as we've now lost so many key levels, we have to reclaim all of them, and it just makes it that much harder to flip bullish again when we had so many opportunities to just go up. Heading back to my Quant update from 2 days ago, using a different set of fibs from this high to this low, we created the reverse wave over here. We're meant to meet the 1618 as long as we hold the golden pocket around 105 to 106. As we can see, that was lost. I then placed a different set of fibs to find where the closest support is, 103 to 105. So that 105 was part of that other one, remember, 105 to 106, but now we're using a different one, 103 to 105, and it's showing you a lower level of support that if we can hold will give us an opportunity to bounce. So we held it here but failed to take it out. That's totally fine. Even though we went down to 786, it's giving us a high probability chance of the rollover. There's still one last support there. That's why yesterday's video was Quant has one last opportunity to move up, which was, of course, unfortunately not what came to be. This was the only possible bullish path, and again down here you can see that we can't lose this whole blue box. If we do not lose the blue box, that was the opportunity, that was the path that we had to take to flip this bullish again. I know that yesterday I said there's one last chance, and technically there's another one today, as you've seen in the video, but it's much less likely. Much rather start to believe that, this could be lost preparation for these levels to the downside to get met. And then if we lose the 100 level and these targets are met, and we somehow manage to reclaim the 100 level, 102, 103, 104 and 105, then we're bullish again. So it's a long process of flipping bullish. You understand that, because every single support that we do lose, it makes it that much harder to reclaim it. And when we were above all the supports over here, we just need to push through the moving averages. We got that nasty wick rejection that we spoke of in yesterday's update, took us back down to a key level which we could get a bounce from, failed, another key level to bounce from. We took that chance, confirmed its support, but couldn't break out, so it failed. And now we're seeing what we were pretty much saying in the last update, how we'd be pushing up into here as a potential scenario. Because again guys, if we're losing the golden pocket, it's a higher probability chance of the reversal wave rather than the reclaim, although that's a possible scenario. And of course, letting you guys know about that case as well over here. This was the only bullish way we could get out of this. We reclaimed the golden pocket, So let's now get out of it. And we could never get out of it, and eventually rolling over pretty much as we predicted, flipping the 786 into resistance right over here, what was previously giving us support, now as resistance to send us back down to here. And on the loss of this level, we go down to the targets. If we do not lose the level, we continue to consolidate before a decided move. So whether it's down, that's prepared. Whether it's up, we've already prepared you. So essentially, guys, all you need to do is wait for the scenario to be shown, because I always prepare you with all the scenarios. The scenario that's shown, okay, Louis prepared me for this one, now I know what's going to happen. The other scenario happens, oh, Louis prepared me for this one, so I know what's going to happen now. It's as simple as that. Just follow the paths that I mentioned, and then the one that comes, that's the one that you need to maybe go back to the video and remind yourself of the paths that I showed you. But yeah, not much more to say other than the only bullish path from here is, again, failing to lose this level and reclaiming the 786, the 618, the 0.5, and the 382, because you can see the 382 is in line with the 55. So we need these moving averages to be reclaimed for a pump to the 200 EMA. And without any reclaiming of these moving averages or the golden pocket or the 382, we will just eventually roll over, and then this will eventually give in if it's not giving us the reclaims. If we keep hitting our head as resistance and just consolidate, eventually this will break down, meeting these three targets, not necessarily meeting all, but usually we do. We can just get a bounce from the first. If it reclaims the 1 fib and all of these levels, we're good and we're no longer going to these targets. You can bounce from here, reclaim the 1 fib level, but if we fail to reclaim the moving averages, we still continue lower. So it's just long from here, guys. It is just long. So that's why I always say be over diversified. Don't have over reliance on just one crypto. In fact, guys, I have over 20 cryptos. Not one of them is important to me. You know what I mean? So I'm not dying for one to move. I have over 25 cryptos, and I don't follow any of them daily, to be honest, apart from Bitcoin, because I know if Bitcoin is going into a bull market, then we will be surpassing 70,000, and we're nowhere near that price point at the moment. So it's just a relaxing time. It's just a waiting time. Just keep buying. That's what I'm doing. Goes down, buy. Goes up, buy. As long as we're under 70,000, Bitcoin's all-time high. We're early on any single crypto. It doesn't matter if they pump 10x. I've already had cryptos pumping 4-5x in the last 2 months. And then we've seen Quant do nothing in the past 2 months. So that's why I'm just super diversified. Even though some cryptos are pumped 4x, I'm not dying for that to move up. I've got 25 cryptos. So when they move, some don't move. And then they flip around. The ones that were moving stop, and the ones that weren't start. And so that's why you just don't want to have over reliance on just one token. I will help you if you want me to. You just need to join the Discord community. I do weekly group calls in there on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And that's where we discuss all the types of cryptos and answer all your questions and how to read the chart exactly like me. So if you're interested, it is £20 a month. Use the links down below to head to the website. You can get 2 months for free if you take action on the course and the mentorship. And actually, remember, guys, while we are waiting for this giveaway, make sure you follow so we can hit 8k. I've got exclusive discounts on the course, on the mentorship. And if you become a Discord member through the membership link, which is right over here, then you're going to get further discounts on top of the discounts. So the course is down from 150 to 99, but a Discord member can get it for a further 10% or a £10 off. So here there's 30 plus videos and it's 5 hours long. You're also going to gain 2 months free in the chat, and as I explained already, you'll have my long list of cryptos in my portfolio, as well as Tuesday and Thursday mentorship sessions. All the information brought to you in the course and the mentorship offers all managed to help my group chat members of the 2021 bull market achieve a 45x by just being in the chat and knowing what I was personally invested in. If they did the same, which is not financial advice, I'm just sharing what I'm doing, and then you go and do your own research, you come to your own conclusions. But what was in the chat helped us achieve a 45x from all the information provided. So that's it from me today. Take action while the slots are still there. Most of them have 5 slots. Some of them have already been taken, just like this 5-hour mentorship plan with only 2 slots available, and this is now down to 225, including the course and including the chat for 2 months, on top of our 5 hours of one-to-one help, which was once 400 and now down to 225. But message me for more information or just join through the links down below. Cheers, everyone.